The nozzle guides the caulk out of your sausage-style caulk gun. The plastic nozzle is attached to the barrel. Over time, the nozzle will wear down from rubbing against the workpiece. It can be cracked or broken if the gun is dropped. Replacing the nozzle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old nozzle from the caulk gun. The nozzle is secured with the lock ring. I'll remove the ring and then remove the nozzle from the ring. To install the new nozzle, I'll insert it through the ring and then secure the ring to the cartridge. And that's how easy it is to install a new nozzle on your caulk gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.